Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Naomi wig by Estetica in the color, and this is one of my favorite blondes, R10 2480. What this is a very pretty light sandy ash brown that has been blended with a really lovely soft natural gold, medium gold blonde, and it also has a slightly lighter natural gold blonde blended into it. So it's a really pretty dynamic color. It's got a little bit of ash, a little bit of amber, and lots of gold, but without looking too gold. It's just a really pretty dynamic gold blonde. Kind of like a dark gold blonde if you think about it that way. I want to show you what Naomi looked like off my head so you can see the curls when they're intact. This is how we expect to get them when you send us a return of this, by the way. Make sure you don't comb them out if you don't want to keep it. But if you do comb it out, this is what it's going to look like. You want to relax those curls a little bit. Combing it's the easiest way to accomplish that. Okay. All right, and before I put her back on, I'm going to show you the cap construction. She does not have a lace front. Instead, she has a little band of polyurethane at the front hairline. She also has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top. It goes all the way back to the crown. There is a little bit of permatease at the crown of this wig. Just a little bit. And then we've got open wefts on the side and the back. We also have an extended open nape with this hook enclosure back here. We also have open ear tabs, which are nice because they make it easy to wear glasses. So here's that texture one more time. This wig has a lot of hair on it, so very nice bouncy texture. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on for you. I think this one looks a little bit different than the product pictures because she's got way more volume than you might think. The caps on these Estetica wigs are very generous. They're great for people like me who have average large cap sizes. This bang is really thick, as you could probably tell, and because I have such a short stubby forehead, I'd have to trim these bangs if I wanted to wear them down. But this gives you a pretty good idea of just how nice the bangs are, how thick they are. So if you wanted to have them trimmed up, it'd be really easy to do. I'm gonna sweep that off to the side. But yeah, this one has really nice bouncy texture. The Estetica fiber is very dry feeling compared to other synthetic fibers, meaning that it doesn't have a whole lot of silicone on it. So you may want to put a little bit more silicone on it before you wear Naomi, just to make sure that you help prevent tangling if at all possible. The bang is 5 inches, which is why it's so long on me. I require like maybe a 3.5 to 4 inch bang usually, so that's a little bit long, but it still looks cute. The sides are 12.75 inches. This is a heavily layered wig, so take all of these measurements with a grain of salt. The crown down is 12, and the nape is 11.75. So before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Naomi looks like on all sides. So yeah, this one's really adorable, and I think it looks a lot like the product pictures, but I think the one that's on the model in the product pictures has been thinned out considerably because this is a lot of hair. So that's all she wrote for Naomi. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you a review of the Naomi wig by Estetica in the color R10 2480. Thank you so much for watching my reviews. Hopefully you'll subscribe and check out my wig store while you're at it. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon, everybody. Bye-bye.